Welcome back to Bike Buzzin', your go-to spot for deep dives into the world's most exciting motorcycles. Today, we're revving into the heart of Italy's street fighter spirit, the 2025 Aprilia Tuono V4. A motorcycle that's long stood at the pinnacle of performance and adrenaline, and in 2025, Aprilia raises the bar yet again. From track-bred DNA to street-smart refinements, this naked beast blends aggression, agility, and technology in a package that's hard to ignore. Let's break it all down. Design and aesthetics, aggressive elegance. The 2025 Tuono V4 continues Aprilia's sharp and muscular design language, but with even more refined aggression. The front end is dominated by sleek triple LED headlamps integrated into the aerodynamic winglets, giving it both a menacing presence and functional downforce. The bodywork has been tightened for better airflow, and the tail section is slim, sharp, and track-inspired. New for 2025 are updated colorways, including a striking matte black with electric red accents, and a race-bred silver gray option. The attention to detail is stunning, from carbon fiber inserts to laser-etched logos. Aprilia clearly wants riders to feel like they're piloting something special. Engine and performance, racing heartbeat. At the core of the Tuono V4 lies its iconic 1077 cubic centimeters V4 engine, pumping out a blistering 175 horsepower and 121 Nm of torque. For 2025, Aprilia has refined the engine mapping, throttle response, and emissions compliance to meet 5 Euro plus standards without sacrificing performance. The result? Brutal acceleration, seamless power delivery, and a soundtrack that roars with Italian fury. Whether you're tearing up the track or carving mountain roads, the Tuono V4 feels alive and ready to pounce at every twist of the throttle. Electronics suite, race tech for the road. One of the biggest reasons the Tuono V4 continues to lead the pack is its class-leading electronics. The 2025 model features the latest APRC, Aprilia Performance Ride Control system, with updated algorithms for smoother traction and wheelie control, launch assist, engine braking management, and cornering ABS. A new 6.5-inch full-color TFT display allows intuitive navigation through riding modes and settings. The system supports Bluetooth connectivity and Aprilia's MIA multimedia platform, letting riders sync their phone, navigation, and ride telemetry seamlessly. Cruise control, quickshifter, and even PID limiter mode, yes, it's all standard. Chassis and handling, precision weapon. Aprilia is known for building some of the best handling bikes in the world, and the Tuono V4 proves that reputation once again. Built on the ultra-rigid aluminum dual-beam chassis, the Tuono feels planted yet flickable in corners. For 2025, the geometry has been subtly tweaked for even better mid-corner feedback. Suspension duties are handled by semi-active Öhlins Smart EC 2.0 units, which adapt in real-time to riding conditions. Whether you're attacking apexes or cruising through city streets, the suspension reads the road and adjusts instantly, giving you the perfect balance of comfort and control. Brakes and tires, confidence to push limits. Stopping power on the 2025 Tuono V4 is top tier, with Brembo Stylema monoblock calipers biting into twin 330mm discs up front. Coupled with Bosch cornering ABS, the bike gives you full confidence to brake hard into corners or stop on a dime in traffic. It rolls on Pirelli Diablo Rosso 4 tires, giving you superb grip in both dry and wet conditions. These are tires that invite lean angles and thrive under pressure, matching perfectly with the Tuono's character. Comfort and ergonomics, road-ready refinement. Despite its superbike roots, the 2025 Tuono V4 remains surprisingly comfortable for daily use. The riding position is slightly more upright than its RS V4 sibling, thanks to higher handlebars and revised peg placement. The seat has been reshaped for better long-distance comfort, and heat management has been improved for city riding. There's also an option for a taller touring windscreen and soft panniers, making it a viable choice for sport touring without sacrificing the bike's core aggression. Final verdict, the king of hyper-nakeds. In a world crowded with high-performance naked bikes, the 2025 Aprilia Tuono V4 doesn't just compete, it dominates. With its relentless V4 engine, cutting-edge electronics, and sharp Italian design, it's the perfect fusion of performance and precision. For riders who crave the feel of a superbike but demand the practicality of a naked, the Tuono V4 is still the gold standard. Aprilia hasn't just maintained its throne, it's reinforced it. That wraps up our deep dive on the 2025 Aprilia Tuono V4. If you enjoyed this breakdown, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from Bike Buzzin'. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you choose the Tuono V4 over its rivals like the KTM Super Duke or Yamaha MT-10 SP? Let us know, and until next time, ride safe and ride loud.